If you want to cut accurate round holes in timber or plastic, forget the jigsaw and reach for a hole saw. This kit from Tork does the job quickly, easily and precisely. The kit includes 12 carbon steel hole saws ranging from 19mm all the way to 127mm and will cut holes in timber or plastic up to a depth of 25mm. There are also two arbors included in the set. One fits the 19 to 29mm saws, and the larger one accommodates the 32 to 127mm saws. The arbors also have triangular shanks to prevent them from slipping in the drill's chuck. When using the bigger arbor and saw blades, it's always recommended to use the drive plate included in the kit. This helps drive the saw and reduces the chance of the blade getting stuck. And lastly, a hex wrench, which is used to remove or change the drill bits in the arbors. These hole saws can be used with or without the drill bits, so if you want to cut a disc without a hole in the center, or if you're using a drill press, you can choose not to have the bits in the arbor. But if you're using a handheld drill, using the bit is a very good idea. To assemble the hole saws, remove the nut from the arbor, slide the arbor through the hole saw and tighten the nut holding the saw in place. When using the larger hole saws, place the drive plate over the back of the hole saw with the pins through the holes and then tighten the nut. A very handy tool, neatly and conveniently packaged in a closing case. This is just one of the hole saw sets available at Builders. For more product reviews like this, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders Fan YouTube channel.